Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Pretty good, if I do say so myself. Hello children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to learn how to record our own sound and play it back using the play recorded sound block. The story behind this project is going to be that Kitten's going to sing a song. So first we need to do is change the background to the theatre background so that Kitten's on stage. Next, what we need to do is, before we build our program, is we need to actually use the play recorded sound block to record what we want it to do. So we're going to go to the green category and there's a microphone there we can see in a dotted block. We're going to click on that and that now opens up this screen here. So when we're ready, what we need to do is press the red record button and then press stop once we've finished recording to end our recording, and then we can preview it using the play button. So let's start. So I'm going to press the record button. Meow, 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 meow. And then the stop button. So let's listen to what it was. Meow, 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 meow. Pretty good. So I'm happy with that. So I'm going to click the tick to select it, and you can see now a play recorded sound block has appeared with the number 1 next to it. That was our first recording. So now we can build our code. So we're going to go to the yellow category first of all, click our green flag block. Next we're going to go back to the green category and select our play recorded sound block that we've just made. And then finally we want to end our program by going to the red category, the stop code block. So let's have a test by pressing the green flag. Meow, 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 meow. Pretty good, if I do say so myself. Again, we can make it full screen. Meow, 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 meow. Fantastic. If we want to edit, we can go back to our edit page, and there we go. Well done, everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.